Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to move your domain from HostGator or to HostGator but weren't sure how to start, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the complete process of transferring a domain using HostGator, step by step, clearly, and in under 5 minutes. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to transfer your domain with total confidence. Let's jump straight in. First things first, open your web browser and go to the HostGator website. HostGator is one of the most trusted web hosting platforms offering shared, reseller, VPS, and dedicated hosting plans. And yes, it also makes domain transfers super simple. Once you're on the homepage, click on Sign In at the top, log into your HostGator account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard, your main hub for everything related to your hosting and domains. Next, click on the Domains tab from the top navigation menu. This section is where you'll manage all your registered domains, including renewals, DNS settings, and transfers. Now, find the specific domain you want to transfer. Click on Manage Domain or the Settings option next to it. This will open your domain's configuration page where you can make important changes. Inside the domain settings, look for the Transfer Domain option. This may appear as transfer away from HostGator if you're moving it out, or transfer to HostGator if you're bringing it in. Click that option and HostGator will start guiding you through the transfer process step by step. You'll likely need to do a few things before the transfer can go through smoothly. Unlock your domain. If your domain is locked, you'll need to unlock it first. Get your EPP code, authorization code. This code is required by most registrars to verify domain ownership. You can find it in your domain settings. Verify your email address. Make sure the admin email on file is correct because you'll receive confirmation emails during the transfer. Once you've completed those steps, confirm your transfer request. HostGator will show you a few prompts. Just follow along carefully and confirm the action when asked. Depending on your registrar, the domain transfer may take a few hours to a few days to fully complete, but you'll get notifications along the way so you can track the progress. And that's it. You've now successfully initiated your domain transfer using HostGator. So that's how you transfer a domain with HostGator. Quick, easy, and totally beginner friendly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more website and hosting tutorials like this one. And if you run into any trouble during the process, remember, HostGator's support team is always ready to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.